Now let's configure the automation logic. Go to Setup, Automation, Workflows. Click Rules. Create rule. Basic information. Select Tickets as the module. Provide a name, such as Auto Delete Spam Tickets. Activate immediately if required. Click Next. Execute on Select Create. This ensures the rule runs whenever a new ticket is created. Criteria section. Define carefully. To delete based on subject, subject contains. To delete based on subject and email, subject contains and/or email contains. To delete everything except specific trusted emails, subject doesn't contain and email doesn't contain. Important. If no criteria is set, the rule will delete all tickets in that department. Click Next. Action section. Custom function. Click the plus icon, choose New next to Custom Functions. Enter a name and description. Select Tickets as the module. Under Argument Mapping, in Argument Name, type Ticket ID. From the Value dropdown, select Ticket ID. Now let's use AI to generate the script. Instead of manually writing the function, we can use AI assistance. Open Google Gemini. Now paste this exact prompt. Gemini prompt. I am using Zoho Desk, and I need a Deluge custom function script to automatically move a ticket to trash when triggered by a workflow rule. Requirements. Use invoke URL method. Use the endpoint /API/v1/tickets/pass ticket ID dynamically. Use connection name auto-delete tickets. Keep desk domain variable at the top as desk domain equals https://desk.zoho.com. Create ticket IDs. Ticket ID. Do not explain anything. Do not modify structure. Only give the final Deluge script. Gemini will generate the exact script required. Now paste the generated script into the custom function editor. The final script should look like this. Click Save to save the custom function. Click Save again to finalize the workflow rule. Final important reminder. Always double-check your criteria. If criteria is empty, every new ticket will be automatically moved to trash. Test using limited keywords before deploying in production. Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.